Well, how you doing? It's Dan. I want to welcome everyone to my home of the sticks. I hope everybody's having a show enough good afternoon. But I'm here to tell you, over here in East Central Mississippi, it is show enough chilly. Before we get started on today's video, I'm always going to say that if you are new to the channel, I want to welcome you. And if you returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over her, and today we into them blue cans, I show enough thank you for coming back. But what I want to share with you and y'all today is, Lord of mercy, we finna go some Snoop Dogg OG old stuff. Give me a second and I'm finna shows you. And what you talking about, Snoop Dogg OG old school stuff? Well, I'm here to tell you a couple of videos. Well, I don't know, it might have been 1 or 2 videos back. I had some plans on what we're gonna do over here for the pea field this year over at the home in the sticks. That pea field over there, we was talking about running some straight runs and just disregarding those curves. Guess what? Change the plans. We're gonna do something different. Possum Butt over there. We're trying to stay away from bends. We want one long straight row where we can run the cultivator with ease. But there's just one problem. We have a water line, or I have a water line that actually runs on the property. I actually had my water company come out and set some flags. We know where the water line is, we just don't know which way it runs, or we didn't know which way it runs. So let's go over here. I'm gonna show you where the first flag is. We'll go to the second flag, and I'm gonna show you something old school that Possum Butt brought up. I was like, well, I don't know if that's gonna work, but you know what? Yeah, give me a second. We finna go look at that. Okay, there is blue flag number 1. It's close to the road. Here is the pea field. So we know that the water line is somewhere right here. So we finna walk up yonder, and I'm gonna show you where the actual water meter is. Let's go do that. Okay, here is the second flag, and this is actually where my water meter is. Now the thing that we don't know is, or we didn't know, is which way does the line run. What I'm planning on doing is, instead of using that terrace down yonder, I actually wanted to let that section of land rest. Possum Butt and I have been going back and forth on planting up on this top piece of land, which is long and straight. So this is going to work out really good for planting the purple hull peas this year. So Possum Butt was kind of like, Dan, do you have a metal coat hanger? He's like, I'm gonna show you something that somebody showed me. Of course, I was skeptical. I was like, that ain't really gonna work, until I seen this. Another thing is, right off the bat, there's gonna be some naysayers and some skeptics, but look here, all you got to do is get your metal coat hanger, bend it and cut it like what I'm finna show you. You go out to your water line and you try it for yourself, and if it works, it works. If it don't, it don't. All right, here are our coat hangers. Possum Butt done cut them and bent them. I don't know how long these are, but anyway, we got 2 of them. Kind of windy out here, and it is what it is. But the premise behind this is, you actually hold it in your hand, hold it, Possum Butt, and you just let it, oops,
not like that.
Not like that. You just let it float in your hand. Some people are going to say, oh, the wind is actually moving it back and forth, but no, he's holding it really lightly in his hand. He's not like gripping it with his fingers or anything. He's just holding it with his hand. From what we understand, it's like a magnetic field. The water line, magnetic field, it's going to actually draw these 2 coat hangers in the direction of the water line. So let's look at that.
Well, we know the general direction of the water line is towards the first flag that Dan filmed. But what we don't know is, we don't know where it turns and when it turns. And what we're trying to figure out is that, where is the line so that we don't hit it when we till it for his pea patch. And hopefully this will demonstrate an easy way to find where the line is.
What'd he say? Notice that the 2 hangers are sticking straight out. Yeah, of course, we got some wind, But watch this. Look at those hangers. They're actually both running this way. He's not holding it. He's not using his fingers to manipulate it.
And that is exactly in the direction that we know the line is coming from the meter. So we know that we're over top of the line.
Now, if you still don't believe it, we finna find another water line. So let's go do that. All right, here is another water line. I have it covered up because it's cold out here with one of these insulated things. Which way is this water line running? Look at there. They're both pointing, they're both actually right on top of each other. And where is it pointing? Directly at that blue flag, sorta. Now what we're gonna say is, and Possum Butt and I talked about this, this method, when those two coat hangers actually come together, it doesn't mean that that water line is right where he's standing. It means that it's in this vicinity somewhere. So we know that the water line is running yonder way. So we're not gonna dig right here. We're gonna come a little bit this way or go a little bit that way. Look there. All right, what we did was we moved down to the driveway. We know that the water line is over there. The water meter is there. We know it runs this way. Let's see what it do now.
Lean forward and it goes out. Lean back, goes back to me. Yeah, right there.
And guess what? There's the other blue flag right over there. I'm gonna say that works, brother. So I guess we could say that the water line runs underneath the driveway. What do you think?
Yeah, I would put money on it. I guarantee you that if you dig straight down from where we're at, you won't have to go more than 4 inches on either side, and you will find that water line. How deep it is, can't tell you. This does not tell you that.
But we know where the water line is.
But we know it runs right underneath here. Right about there.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Lord of mercy. Ain't got to pay somebody to come out here with a little mini X to dig up the driveway or use a shovel to, and actually that's something I probably could have done, was got a shovel and just
demonstrate,
dug it out.
Sure.
But anyways, I'm good with that because now we actually know we could actually plan out this way. We can get away from that water meter a little bit. We can actually run the rototiller out there without hitting any pipes, and that's what we want to know. Long straight runs. Well, there you have it. That's what I wanted to share with you and y'all today. Lord of mercy, an easy and simple way. If you're trying to locate a water line, you could try this. I know there's going to be some skeptics out there like, oh no, he was manipulating it with his fingers, you know, whatever, the wind might have been doing it. Guess what? Get you a metal coat hanger, cut it off, bend it, make you 2 L pieces, so to speak. Go out to your water line and try it for yourself, and it's probably going to work. So again, hope everybody's having a show enough good afternoon, and I hope everybody stays safe today amid this crisis that we still have going on. If y'all like this video, go and give it a thumbs up. They help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home and Six channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over here, give old Dan a look, because me and old Possum Butt are always doing something. That being said, you know it's coming down. Reference show enough. Always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You sure enough get your shine on, get your grow on. If you need to find a water line, you can do that too now. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.